Hey everyone, this is Anthony O'Leary with West Palm Beach Credit Repair in West Palm Beach, Florida. Are you tired of waiting for your credit score to improve? We understand it can feel like no matter how hard you try, progress is painfully slow. The truth is, slow progress in improving your credit can be frustrating. Every day you wait could mean missed opportunities, whether it's securing a loan, getting approved for a new car, or even buying the new home. But what if there was a way to speed up your process and finally see results? At West Palm Credit Repair, we understand how important fast, effective results are. Our team of experts work to address the issues holding your credit back and improve your score quicker than you ever thought possible. No more waiting for small changes. Our experience and proven strategy help you move forward, and you can reach your financial goals faster. Don't let slow credit repair stand in your way. Let West Palm Credit Repair help you take control and start seeing progress today. Visit us today, westpalmcreditrepair.com, and let's get your credit in the right direction. Hey, hit the button down below, like us for more tips. We'll see you there. Bye.